works. Ah, nice. There, did something today. Alright, look at that. That is a window. Look what happened. On the way back from Camping World, we lost a window on the highway. The window fell out. Luckily we saved it. So we're gonna glue it back in today. I also bought one of them little slides for the screen door, but there's two different kinds and I wasn't aware of that. So this one's just a little bit long. You can see how long, if you can see that line there. But we're gonna cut it down, put it in. Alright, I got my air nibbler out. We're gonna cut it right on the line, hopefully. Alright, we got it working. That's good. Nice. The screen door handle. It works good. Probably something works. Alright, we did something. Now we got to glue a window in. Trying to find my caulk gun. Trying to find a caulk gun, and this mess is, I don't even think I got one anymore, but I looked all around, so I'm gonna order one. This is what I'm using, this 3M window weld. Works good. I've glued windshields in with this stuff and all kinds of stuff. So it says for professional use only, not intended for retail sale. I don't know why that is. But if I'm a caulk gun, we'll glue a window in here in a minute. Alright, we're going to clean this window up. It's pretty bad shape. I got to get all this old glue off there. Clean her all up, weld her back in. I'm just going to use some razor blade and maybe some paint thinner to clean it up. So we got a good surface to glue to. Paint thinner cleans anything. I have a feeling I'm going to break this window before I get it back in. Hopefully not. Hey, we found a caulk gun finally.
Leaving Friday?
Yeah, we'll leave Friday.
I gotta go that fucking thing at 1 o'clock. How the hell did she grab it without it fucking...
Okay. There you go. Here. Get the next one. Throw that on the couch.